Hello everyone, this is Show. Welcome back to Pujur. So this is my LinkedIn account, as you can see on the screen, right? I have started this newsletter 2 weeks back. It's called Zero Power Platform. Just like the name, the focus is just to provide zero bullshit solutions. So this is the first one I worked on. I just want to, I was just thought of recording one about it. So the problem was posted on the Power Platform community on Microsoft official website. The question was, if lookup is selected, how can we autofill the lookup details on the associated fields, right? So let's say I'm choosing this account, the details should be filled as you can see on the screen, right? Now I have worked on a lot of times on these issues actually. There are three ways that we can solve this. One of the way would be working with a built-in template, right? So not a lot of us like to code, and I've worked with this couple of times. So what we do is we go to the Power Business Management, as you can see on the screen. We open the form and then we move to basic form metadata, right? On the basic form metadata, we choose the new basic form metadata. Here we need to select the fields from which we want the values to be retrieved. There is one benefit, one that is we don't have to code much, we don't have to depend upon API access to the dataverse, right? Now, this was for the email, right? We want in the PX email is the logical name for right now, and right, we can either choose to set value on save or we can choose for pre-population on the load of the screen, right? Now, once we choose the current portal user, I am choosing the field from which I want to access the values, right? So it's saved, save and close. I'll create one more for the phone, mobile phone. So this again, we choose attribute. The type is attribute, which is very important. There are other options like subgrade, right? Tables and others. Okay. So we can also choose current portal users. Say we can. So beyond current portal user, we can also choose value, and we can also choose today's date. Value will be a particular value, and today's date again would be the date of the particular day you're working on, right? Or the form is loading. So save and close, and yeah, that's it. We will move to Design Studio. Sync this. Let's just sync it. Yeah. Uh, Apologies for this. So I'm just not well little bit today. As you can see, once I reload the page, so once we reload the page, the mobile and email should be auto-filled. Yeah, there you go. As you can see on the screen, right? Now this was one where we use the mobile built-in templates, right? Now let's try to do this using code, right? Which is our most favorite thing. My most favorite thing actually. Now there are two methods. One that I'll show right now is using the web API and access token, right? So you open the Visual Code Editor, but before this, let me take you to site settings. In the site settings, you have need four settings mandatory for the particular table that you are selecting. So as you can see, web API / contact, because I am working on the contact entity, right? Right. So table source would be table and website would be the website you are working on. If it is not filled, pre-filled, kindly fill it too, right? And fields, one thing about fields is, now fields, as you can see, I have chosen email address one and mobile phone, right? But you can also mention it as a star. There's good thing, there's bad thing both about it. If you choose star, it will fetch all the fields on that particular entity, which is not a very good practice, and yeah, that is a bad thing. But good thing is you won't miss on any of the field value names. If you're not sure about the contact logical name of the field, you can choose this one. Now, let me just quickly explain you through this one. What is required is, just a second. Yeah, what is required is we are through Ajax query, we are getting the values from the particular entity, that is the contacts, as you can see on the screen, right? And the code for this I have already given in the my GitHub repository. I'll share the link in the description below. Kindly check it out, right? And yeah, we do need two things to change. One is your organization URL, and the other being your API based token, right? And the other being your token, right? So yeah, as you can see, this is the Ajax query that we use to access the Dataverse, right? And you need to change the middle portion, which is the org.crm8.dynamics.com. This you need to copy from your organization URL. You can find it under settings and in session details, right? Your instance URL is your organization URL. If you open an app, in your app also, you'll find this organization URL. Next, we need a token. For this also, I have created a video where I have showed how to generate your access token. Now, in a real day, I would preferentially use Power Automate. But right now, since I'm just using it for a demo purpose, I'll use a Postman. For the Power Automate, what I will do is, let me just open the app. Yes, I'll create one. I'll schedule a cloud flow, right? And yeah, just create. Okay, so I'll add a trigger, add a new action. Now choose HTTP, not pen, HTTP. Yes, scroll down, down. Yeah, this is the one. This one you should select, and URL will be your auth access token, right? Method would be get. Same thing I have used in your Postman. If you have downloaded the app and you are using it, you must be knowing how to use this, right? Kindly follow the link in the description that has the whole tutorial process for this, right? Now I'll use the access token now. Now once I click on one of the accounts, the details should be autofilled, as you can see on the screen, right? Yeah, so that was the second one, but the drawback of this method is that you have to have your access token, right? The third one that I'm going to show you is my most favorite one. It is the XRM approach, right? So in this, what we'll do is we'll just use the basic form. As you can see, the basic form on your that you are using it. So email field is using px email, that is the logical name of that particular field attribute, and mobile field, and using get API slash context, I am accessing the contact entity, right? Yes. So now, as you can see, email field is this one, and yeah, data dot email address. Data is your the data that is being retrieved from that particular entity, right? So yeah, this code is also you can find on the description below, right? I will just quickly sync it. Okay. Okay, syncing is done. Let's just head back to the website. Yeah, we'll try again. Let's just reload the page first. Yes, selecting one. Let's try a different one this time. Yeah. So it should just update. Probably it will take a couple of seconds, but yeah, that's all, guys. So yeah, every week I'll post one of these problems, right? So you can just follow the channel if you want to see a video tutorial on the same every week. You can subscribe to my newsletter. Link will be in the description too. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.